Welcome to wallpaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable lock screen wallpaper services or lock screen ads in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. So at first, if I lock my device, and you can see in my phone lock screen services is turned on. If you want to disable it, just unlock your phone. Now from here you have to touch and hold on the home screen, and at the bottom you can see wallpaper and style option. Then just tap here, then go to change wallpaper. From here scroll down a bit, then go to wallpaper services. Now you can see two options here, dynamic lock screen and none. To disable lock screen ads, you have to just select none from here, then tap on apply, and it's disabled successfully. Now if you lock device, and you can see it's turned off. And that is how you can disable lock screen wallpaper services or lock screen ads in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.